Today we're going to demonstrate a field test method for measurement of tannin in water samples. This is a tablet method, and the reference code for this method sheet, should you need to request it, is FTM025B or reagent pack 15. A titration method is also available with the reference FTM025A. Tannin measurements can be expressed as tannin index or value, which is a measurement of the remaining level of oxygen scavenging power. Alternatively, the measurement can be expressed as milligrams per litre as equivalent concentration of active tannin. The most important thing is to report in consistent units matching the stated control limits for the system you are treating. The range for this test is 4 to 50 as a tannin index, or 40 to 500 milligrams per litre as tannin. In steam boilers, you would normally expect 12 to 16 as tannin index, or 120 to 160 milligrams per litre as active tannin. For this test, you will need the following reagents: tannin number 1 tablets, AT008, tannin number 2 tablets, AT009. Filter the sample if necessary to obtain a clear solution. Take 50 ml of the sample into a flask or container. Add 2 tannin number 1 tablets. Cap the container and shake until the tablets disintegrate. Continue adding tannin number 2 tablets one at a time until a pink colour persists for approximately 1 minute, keeping count of the number of tablets added. Using the formula on the method sheet, calculate the tannin concentration as tannin index or active tannin. For tannin index, multiply the number of tablets by 2. For active tannin, multiply the number of tablets by 20. For example, if the test took 8 tablets, then you would multiply 8 by 2, which gives a tannin index of 16, or you would multiply 8 by 20, which gives an active tannin result of 160 milligrams per litre.